students. In the last class, we completed 1, 2, 3 pages in the English worksheets. Today I am going to explain the 4th and 5th pages. So, all of you take your worksheets, turn to page number 4 and look at them carefully. What is the heading? Make the positive sentences negatives. Already in the previous class I explained you what is a positive sentence and what is a negative sentence. See, we have an example here. I am a student. I am not a student. If we have not in any of the sentence, it will be treated as a negative sentence. So here, let us see the first one. This exercise is difficult. Answer: this exercise is not difficult. First one. Second, we are from Spain. Answer: we are not from Spain. So, S we have to write in capital letter because it is the proper noun, and here we are. Here this is the contraction, which short form. This is pronounced as we are. Next, third one. My grandmother's name is Adelaide. Okay. See, answer: my grandmother's name is not Adelaide. Okay. See, here my grandmother's name is. Here it is an apostrophe and here it is a contraction. For these two, we have to use the apostrophe. So, what are the apostrophes and what are the contractions? I will explain you in the next classes. Next one. The kids are in the garden. The kids are not in the garden. So, fifth one. You are English. Here you are English means you are an English man. We have to think. Okay. See, you are not English. Next one. My car is very expensive. What is meant by expensive? Expensive means costly. Answer: my car is not very expensive. Next one. This is my student's notebook. Answer: this is not my student's notebook. So next one. These photographs are very nice. Answer: these photographs are not very nice. So next one. Jerry is 25 years old. Answer: Jerry is not 25 years old. Next. I am fine. I am not fine. See once again. This exercise is not difficult. We are not from Spain. My grandmother's name is not Adelaide. The kids are not in the garden. You are not English. My car is not very expensive. This is not my student's notebook. These photographs are not very nice. Jerry is not 25 years old. I am not fine. These are the answers. All of you note down. And for the next exercise, turn to page number 5. So if you notice, in all these sentences, we have a helping verb. Let us look at this exercise. Is, not. Next one, or, not. Here also is not, or not, or not, is not, or not, is not, am not. Okay. See what I told you. If we have a helping verb in any of the sentence, by adding negative word, we can make it into negative. We can make it into negative. But the exercise which we are going to do now has all the main verbs, all the action words. So already I explained you this one, how to change, if you have any of the sentence, the main verbs, how to change them into negative already I explained you. So now let us have a look on this exercise. First, Jock eats a sandwich. Here, eat is the V1 form and the subject is Jock singular. So in the previous class I told you, if in the subject's place, if we have he, she, it or any singular noun. So here Jock means singular. So Jock is a singular noun. So if we have Jock in the subject's place, we have to write SRES to the main verb. That is the structure of simple present tense. Subject plus V1 plus SRES plus object. That's why here we have S. whenever if we have he, she, it or singular noun, we have to use does to make a negative sentence. So he does not eat pizza. Is it clear? Second one, Fiona cries at work. Same. Fiona is a singular noun. That's why here we have S or es. Cry is the V1 form, but here we added es. Cries. So she does not cry at home. So SRES is there and subject is singular noun, and here the subject is she. That's why here we added does not. She does not cry at home. So next one, we play tennis. The subject is here plural and the verb is V1 form, but the subject is plural. So we have to use here do. Only for singulars, he, she, it and singular nouns only we have to use does. Here we have singular nouns and singular pronouns, that's why here we added does. But here we have the subject plural. So in the negative sentence we have to write, we do not play computer games. We play tennis. The subject is plural, so that we do not have S or es here. That's why in the negative sentence we have to use do not. We do not play computer games. Next one, James flies to America. See, here also fly is the V1 form. S or es we have to add. So S or es we have to add to the main verb. So James flies to America. He does not fly to Australia. So here we have S or es, that's why here also we have written does. Whenever if you are using does, again we no need to use here. The main verb we no need to use S or es again, because here already we have written. So here no need. So that's why here also if you notice. In the positive statement we have eats, and in the negative statement we have only eat, because already we have written here S or es. Do plus S or es. So do plus es becomes does. So again we no need to write here. The same way cries. Cry plus S or es. Cries. Already we have written here, so that we wrote here only cry. So James flies to America. He does not fly to Australia. So next one. Larry forgets his money. He does not forget his phone. Here we have forgets, and in the answer already SRES is written here. So he forget, that's it. Larry forgets his money. He does not forget his phone. So next, they sing the right song. So the subject is plural here, that's why we did not have S or es. They sing the right song. And when we change it into negative, they do not sing the right melody. They do not. For the plural subjects we have to follow do. So next, they say goodbye. And next, they do not say hello. Okay. In this exercise what we learned? So if we have the subject's place, if there is he, she, it or any singular noun, when we change it into negative sentence, we have to use does. And we no need to add S or es to the main verb when we change it into negative. And at the same time, if we have a plural subject, we have to use do to write the negative sentence. At the same time, if you have past sentence, simple past sentence, if you have a verb V2 form, so we have to write there did. Okay, even the subject is singular or plural, we have to use did. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.